Assalamualaikum. This is English A period for grade 6 and
this is third lecture of our first lesson.
Now open your book.
Page number 7. Write CW, date and day at the top of the page. In the previous lecture, टा और है treasure का सुनकर खुदाई करने लगे. Now let's see what they find in the field. Let's read first paragraph. At last, the entire field had been dug, but no treasure had been found. The brothers moped around with their heads down. आखिरकार सारा खेत खोदा जा चुका था, but there was no treasure, जिसकी वजह से वो दोनों बहुत disappoint हो गए. Finally, an idea came to Ta. The land is ready for planting, he said to his brother, and our rice is almost gone. You take one half of the field and I will take the other. We will tend it just as father did. Suddenly, टा को आइडिया आया कि ज़मीन प्लांटिंग यानी काश्तकारी के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार है और राइस भी ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. क्यों ना हम इसे हाफ डिवाइड करके फादर की तरह देखभाल करें. The days passed and the seedlings grew. In due time, the field gave an abundant harvest. There was rice to eat and rice to sell. When the sons took the rice to the marketplace, it brought a good price. दिन गुजरते गए और उन्होंने फील्ड से अपनी मेहनत की वजह से abundant rice यानी बहुत ज़्यादा मिकदार में चावल हासिल कर लिए, जिन्हें सेल करके इन्हें बहुत अच्छी कीमत मिली. Excited, Ta and Hai ran back to the house and approached their father's bedside. They dropped coins into the old man's hands. Look, father, said Hai, we have sold rice and brought you gold. Yes, said Ta, just as you said. The treasure was in the field. The old man smiled. They had learned his secret. टा और है घर की तरफ भागे और ख़ुशी से फादर को कॉइन्स देते हुए कहा कि फादर, हमें ट्रेजर मिल गया. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ दैट हार्ड वर्क ऑलवेज पेज. मेहनत ही सबसे बड़ी दौलत है, जैसा कि है और ता ने की और बदले में इन्हें इसका फल भी मिला. Okay students, now underline the difficult words, focus on their spellings, pronunciation and learn them by heart. Entire, entire, moped, moped, seedlings, seedlings. In due time, in due time. Abundant, abundant, harvest, harvest. Excited, excited, approached, approached, brought, brought. Students, you can also take help of Docket for understanding and Urdu translation.
Okay students, now it's time to write homework diary. Read page number 7 with translation 5 times. Learn difficult words with spelling and do practice in your AR. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.